What's up, everybody? Welcome back to RC Insider. So today we're gonna talk about a semi-controversial topic. What is the best RC crawler for the money? So I propose to you that it is the Redcat Danchee 110 scale Ridgerock. It may not be the best crawler out there. There's going to be some things that other crawlers can do that the Danchee can't do, but there's also a lot of stuff that the Danchee can do that all your $500,000 crawlers can't do. So I submit to you, and the comments are wide open on the bottom if anybody wants to disagree and tell me why they think something's better. But we say that the Redcat Danchee Ridgerock is the best crawler for the money. So we're going to drive it around out here, put it through a little bit of stuff, and then we'll talk about why we think it is so. All right. Alright guys, we made it back to civilization out here. We got out of the woods. Just a couple of things why I think the Danchee really is the best crawler for the money. One, guys, it's usually about 120 bucks. Can't beat that. We paid more for, you know, junk that you buy at Wally World and stuff like that. This is an actual hobby grade truck, right? There's upgrades, you can upgrade tires, motors, servos. It's a true hobby grade truck and 120 bucks. Take a quick look at the controller here. You got front wheel drive. Hit that mode button. You got all four-wheel drive. That is something awesome, guys. It has a servo mounted right there to each axle. Four-wheel drive when you're rock crawling makes a huge difference. Any kind of crawling really, but especially rock crawling. Get into a lot of tight spots, yeah. And you need that four-wheel steering. Something you don't find on many crawlers, even in the higher ranges, right? Hit that mode again. You got crab steer. You can imagine the situations you can get in with that. And it looks really cool driving around sideways like that. Mode again. You can go right to rear wheel steer. So when you're rock crawling, you know, being able to switch in between these modes makes a big difference. Mode again, you're right back to front wheel steer. Mode again. This is where normally when I'm crawling, with this thing, I'm in four-wheel steer because you can really get a tight turn. You get into some really tight spots with it, right, guys? It's super awesome. And the flex on this thing, guys, I mean, it is incredible. I mean, you could basically just twist this thing like a pretzel. The suspension is so unique. And you got all these adjustable shocks on here. You can adjust your base, you know, so many adjustments you can make. But actually, I like it just the way it came stock. So, and the price, I know I said it before, but you're getting a pretty big 110 scale RC crawler here. It comes, you know, fully ready to run, guys. You know, charge up the battery and you're ready to go. We've been averaging, just with that one battery that it comes with, over 30 minutes of run time. Four-wheel drive. You know, the tires are awesome. You can see all the stuff that it'll grip. So that's my case, guys. I want to hear from you. You know, you can get a much more expensive crawler that might be slightly more capable, but for the money, guys, in our opinion, the Danchee is the best RC crawler for the money. All right, guys, leave your comments below. Hope you're having an awesome summer. And until next time, guys, happy bashing.